performance niyo?
Siyempre, sobrang happy dahil nakuha namin yung bronze and at the same time, laging proud sa team namin kasi talagang lumalaban talaga hanggang dulo. And lagi kaming thankful kasi ang dami namin natututunan, especially this conference na grabe yung mga na-experience namin. So, magiging baon namin to sa sunod na liga. Medyo matagal pa yung sunod na liga eh. Sa 6 bigay na ulit. So, yun lang. Thank you.
Thank you. And for MJ, bronze medal for Signal. How are you feeling right now? What are your thoughts on how Signal won this game against Philippines?
I'm so happy, of course, for the result. It's not still the result we wanted. We are still very painful from the last game, but we are happy we could get this bronze medal. We have been working very hard, and we have our mindset this conference that we want to be on the podium. So I think we make it, and I'm so happy for the result.
Princess, gano'n ka lang din ka-proud as captain ng team na yung nakahabol mo yung pag-ibig nakuha mo yung panahon
Well, very, very proud sa team, especially sa mga teammates ko and syempre sa import namin. And of course, sa mga coaching staff namin na talagang haba ng patience sa amin kahit na first set, natalo kami ng first set. And yun, talagang ang mindset namin today is kung mas gusto ng kalaban namin, mas gugustuhin namin. And yun nga, we're 1 point away dun sa nakaraan naming game. Kaya malungkot pa rin yung team, pero ngayon talaga nilaban ng teammates ko.
Can you take us through lang yung 23-22 na nagkaroon ng discussion with the referee? Ano yung nangyari?
Well, I think tumawag ng touch sa sabi niya sa ulo nung after niya mag-spike. So, siyempre, Maria din nakita niya kung gaano kalayo din yung bola sa ulo niya. So, kahit kami nagulat talaga kami kasi parang point talaga namin yun. So kaya ganon. So, parang napunta pa sa point ng PLDT. So, talagang nagkaroon kami ng mindset na kailangan may laban namin. Kasi siyempre, close 1 point lang yung difference ng score eh. And knowing din our team, sobrang laki ng tiwala ako sa kanila. Kaya alam kong pag nakuha namin yun or napunta sa amin yung puntos na yun, pwede talaga namin may panalo. So, we're so happy and lucky din na naibigay sa amin yung puntos.
Ako naman siguro, to be honest, ayoko talaga makipag-argue kasi it's referee's decision. But then, it was a crucial point kasi and yung pinaglalabanan namin dito, medal. So, hindi kami basta-basta papayag. And nakita naman namin dun sa game, during game na ni-replay, and nakita talaga namin na wala. And all of us are naniniwala na wala talagang touch. So, nanghihingi lang ako sa referee ng parang challenge para mapakita. And kung ano man yung maging result, tatanggapin namin. So yun, buti na lang naging nag-decision si ref na i-challenge nila talaga and i-replay. Yun nakita namin. So yun, kasi putol momentum yun eh. Yung mga calls talaga. So importante talaga sa amin yun. Yun nga, crucial. Nakita nyo naman na parang 1 point pwedeng magbago yung momentum. And we were happy na talagang nakuha namin at nagtuloy-tuloy yung momentum namin.
For MJ, you have another tournament starting in 2 days. You will face 2 foreign teams from Japan and Thailand. What will be the mindset in the next?
First and all, keep healthy because it's very harsh. We will be playing like one day and another, and I think we have to be very mentally ready, and of course physically because it's gonna be harsh. But I think we have positive. This is gonna be good for the team, so we are thinking we will do our best in this tournament.
MJ, how would you assess your personal readiness physically and mentally to compete in the Invitational Conference after a very long being first conference?
As I say, we have to keep our mindset. Me, because of course everybody's talking about my age and everything. I will keep until now. I working in myself, in my condition to be ready to not get injury and everything. And by side with the coach, he helped me a lot in the training. Like he don't overload me. So this is how we will prepare for this, and especially me, like. Working in my body and especially my mind to play this invitation.
You have discount na.
Alright, Coach Ences. So, panlimang bronze medal yung signal ngayon sa PBL. Tingin niyo po ba may kulang pa sa team para maabot yung PBL? O more on, parang it's about time na lang din or darating din sa tingin niyo yung goal sooner than later?
Ikaw muna.
I think for me siguro lagi namang sabihin natin laging may kulang kasi hindi naman kami parang laging gusto pa rin namin ng improvement at laging meron kaming kailangan. So hindi naman kami napapagod na magtrabaho, mag-training para makapunta sa kung ano man yung goal namin. And like last time nga, yung last game namin, we're 1 point away sa championship pero hindi pa rin binigay sa amin. So marami pa rin kaming lapses and mga adjustment na dapat gawin. So hindi lang kami titigil until makarating kami doon.
Obviously, marami talagang kulang pa. Kasi, syempre, masaya kami, nakuha namin yung bronze. But, I'm sure lahat ng teams gusto lahat mapunta sa championship or makakuha ng gold. So, isa yun sa pinaka-goal namin. But, siguro, ang lagi naming mindset, hindi kami mag-stop na kunin yung goal na yon. And hopefully, dumating na yung time na para sa amin. Kasi hindi naman kami laging gugustuhin agad na ganun kadaling kunin or what kasi sobrang hirap din siyang gawin. So, lagi lang namin gagawin kung ano yung role namin and then aralin pa namin kung ano yung mga kulang, i-improve pa namin kasi the reason why di rin kami nakakarating sa championship, definitely may kulang. So, try namin aralin mismo yung team namin, pag-aaralan namin kung ano pa yung kailangan namin. And from there, tutuloy-tuloy lang namin kung ano yung laging goal namin sa everyday. So,
Since nasabi mo yung last game, sobrang bigat nun. Gano'n malaking tulog lang siya for the team na let's do better this game na matapos natin na high note yung conference.
Sa totoo lang, sobrang lungkot talaga ng team namin as in coaches, management. Sobrang laki ng panghihinayang namin kasi nga yun nga, like I said, isang puntos na lang yung kailangan namin. And I think isa yun sa nakikita namin na kailangan namin na i-adjust yung lapses na yun na 1 point na lang hindi pa namin matapos. So I think yun yung i-work on namin na every crucial point na nandun na kami sa point na yun, kailangan finish strong talaga. Kung gaano kami nagsimula ng malakas, ganun din kami tatapos ng malakas. Yun yung isa namin i-work out.
Thank you, Coach.
yay!